our channel. This is Kanika from Kanak. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for receiving further notifications. We are starting by taking card base and placing our stencil onto the card base. Next, we are taking up our distress ink and applying it onto the card base. Make sure you don't shift your stencil. Also, you can do is apply masking tape on the stencil so that it doesn't move. Now I'm taking up second color distress ink, that is vintage photo, and just shifting the stencil a little bit. Now I'm taking up my ink blending tool and gonna apply the distress ink from ink blending tool with my bare hands so that I can decide the color intensity as per my choice. Make sure you blend the inks very well. Now this is how the background of a card looks like. Doesn't it look very cool? Now I'm just distressing the edges of the card to give it a little blended effect. So the third question of the giveaway I am asking in this video, but the answer you need to give on our Instagram page. So you need to message us or DM us on our Instagram page the correct answer, and you don't need to write the answer in the comment section below. This is how it looks. With the same technique, I also created other designs and other cards. You can see even I did a die cut with the same technique. Now I am taking a piece of pattern paper and just distressing it for the base. Similarly, I am taking this sentiment and distressing the edges, and to give it a 3D effect, I took a base of pattern paper and distressed it too with vintage photo. Next, I took up a jute cord and made a little bow and just gonna place it like this, and on this jute cord I am going to place my sentiment. So I'm going to paste this. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to place everything on the card base. So I'm starting off by taking the pattern paper for the base and adhering it. Next, I am going to adhere "Believe You Can" sentiment on the card base like this. I took up white flower and distressed it with vintage photo, and now place the two flowers like this on the card. So this is how the card looks like finally. For the next video, I am planning to share how you can use one stencil in multiple ways. Here you can see I am using just one stencil and using it in multiple ways. Look at this 3D effect. Doesn't it look very cool? I used one stencil in 6 different ways. So do you want to learn? Are you excited? Comment down and let me know. Also don't forget to like, comment and share this video. So the question for today is, how many retail outlets does Itsy Bitsy has in India? You need to answer the number and you need to answer in our Instagram page. You need to message us on Instagram and Instagram link is mentioned in the description box below. Also don't forget to share this video on Facebook and Instagram. So thank you guys for watching this video.